Hello, if you want to delete all your Facebook posts, then keep watching this video till the end. See, basically there are two ways to delete your Facebook post. Number one is manual and number two is automatic. So first of all, I'm gonna show you how to delete your Facebook post manually, okay? So after opening Facebook, just click on your profile picture at the top right corner, and now just click on the settings icon, scroll down a little bit, keep scrolling down, and now under your activity section, here is an activity log option, just click there. Here is the public post option, so click on it, and now all your posts will be displayed here. If you want to delete any post from here, just click on the three-dot icon at the right side, and now click on move to trust. Look at the top side, here is a trust option. Now all the posts that you move to this trust box will be displayed here, and from here you can delete that post permanently. Now I'm gonna show you the automatic method of deleting your Facebook post, where you can delete all your Facebook posts in just a second. Okay, so close this. So you should come to the home page of your Facebook profile. Now at the top left corner, click on your profile icon. Now in this middle section, click on this three-dot icon. Now see, here is the manage post option, so click on it, and now all your posts will be displayed here. Now first of all, select all the posts one by one, just clicking at the top right corner of the post like this. Now click on next. Now click on delete post. This is how you can delete all your Facebook posts in just a second. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit the like, and if you wanna watch more this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe the channel. And if you're watching us on Facebook, then do follow the page right now.